Hi! Today, in Dress to Look Slimmer and Better episodes, I will be transforming this simple, casual jeans and a trench coat look. I think you could agree that this look just feels frumpy and looks incomplete. The proportions don't work, the silhouettes are boring, and the outfit lacks intention and makes me look bigger than I actually am. So the casual jeans outfit might look 6 times better, and each of the steps I'm about to share with you will get us there. So stick with me and let's start. This combo of crop jeans and blouse doesn't do much to flatter my figure. Even if I tuck in, the proportions look off and that bulge around my hips, I don't like this view. Overall, the outfit looks outdated and frumpy, even though I really love the color contrast here, but let's swap to a pair of full-length jeans. This pair of jeans instantly makes the legs appear longer, wider fit balances my top half perfectly, and also, please pay attention what difference does the wider fit and the placement of the pockets create on my back view. Have you ever thought about this? Let's move on. Looser fit jeans and loose top might look stylish and modern, but since I'm not a size 36, I feel that this is a little bit too much on my frame. Therefore, I want to create some definition to my blouse, and while I'm trying out some new ways to do that, actually that really doesn't work here. But still, the winner is no tug hack to crop my blouse that I have shared in my last fashion hacks video. And you guys, you love this hack so much as I do. By the way, thank you all for your comments. Your feedback is very helpful to bring you the content you enjoy watching, so it's always a pleasure to hear from you. I will link this fashion hacks video for you, but the goal here is to crisscross the tails of the blouse and tuck them inside. It creates beautiful definition and better proportions to this outfit. Now, I have started with these flat shoes that are quite neutral, but I think that they lack visual interest. Also, make sure the shoes bend easily. These ones are so stiff on my feet that I get tired after 10 minutes. So I'm swapping to these pointed toe kitten heel mules. They are very comfortable, they look great with the jeans and add a bit of feminine touch. Also, pointed toe shoe elongates the legs and creates beautiful balance. Now, when it comes to my hair, I often reflect on how do I feel, and if the outfit is more relaxed, I might opt for a little bit more sleek hair look. So this time, I wanted something in between, but really easy and laid back. So I just pulled my hair back and secured with a small crocodile hair clip. Let's remember, we have started with a very classic trench coat, but since I'm wearing jeans, I want to add something a little bit more structured and interesting. And this is just a small reminder, let's always treat our clothes with love. So this trench coat with contrast lapels is a bit longer, more structured, and has some interesting details. It helps to elevate the outfit instantly, and I love how it balances out my proportions. If the first one just hangs on me, this one creates beautiful hourglass shape on me. Can you tell the difference? Accessories can make or break an outfit. I will be adding mixed metal statement earrings to further elevate this look and give it a little bit more of a modern twist. Now, I feel like scarves can sometimes look very polished, yet sometimes might add unwanted frumpiness. So I like wearing them in very simple ways, like I'm doing here. By the way, let me know if you would like to see a video on styling tying a scarf, as I get to see them more and more often, and it's really an easy way to give your outfit a personal touch. And let's get back to the same bucket bag, but this time, as the outfit is more put together and intentional, this bag really blends in very well now. Lastly, sunglasses might become a very nice finishing touch to an outfit. Sleek, angular frame gives sharpness and elevates this look. And this is the final look. It's like a 5 minutes makeover. The left looks frumpy and boring, while this updated outfit feels much more put together, elevated and modern. And I think I took years and kilograms off of me. What do you think? This is what little tweaks and thoughtfully played proportions can create. I hope this video gave you some inspiration and ideas on how to. Like and share this episode and subscribe for more. And by the way, let me know if you would like to see a video on styling scarves. Keep shining, stay classy. Ciao, ciao.